we got a package. So this package was sent to me by the infamous diver, Aquatic Monkey. He recovered this from the bottom of a lake. I'll show you guys what it is right now. Yeah, so it's an Apple Watch. I've only fixed a couple of these in my lifetime, and I've definitely never fixed a water damaged one because of its water resistant rating. So this is going to be interesting. Hopefully we can actually recover it, but there's only one way to find out. Since this is the Apple Watch Series 2, it's water resistant up to 50 meters. We also asked Aquatic Monkey if he found it in freshwater, which he confirmed, meaning there is a good chance we can get it on. The goal is to fix the watch, contact the owner, and return it to him. So the watch doesn't seem to be in bad condition. There's a little bit of dirt and debris, but usually when an Apple Watch gets water damaged, there's a little ring under the screen, and you can see that there's actually been water under the screen. In this case, the screen is still black, and it honestly doesn't look like the water has done too much from the outside, but the inside usually tells a different story. So we're gonna heat this up, remove the screen, and see if we're dealing with a crazy amount of corrosion. It is very hard to pry up on the screen without breaking it, but with patience, it's very achievable. And we're under the screen. Now we just have to pry around and get that adhesive off. And hopefully when we look inside, we won't see any corrosion. There's no corrosion, but the battery's puffy. So as far as I could tell, there's literally no traces of water. The puffy battery tells us that this is probably a battery problem. Lord knows if the screen works, but my guess is it does. We're gonna hit this with an unscrew, and we'll remove this plate to uncover what's underneath. Disconnect the Taptic engine. That was not the Taptic engine, but there's no corrosion. That's kind of crazy. So this Apple Watch probably will be repairable. I'm gonna order a new battery, and hopefully that's all it needs. Then we're gonna return it to its owner if we can find out who he is. We got the new battery. We're gonna install it, and hopefully this works. Then we're gonna try calling the owner. We're gonna pour some alcohol, and I'm just gonna pry up on the battery. They come off pretty easily. Whee! Oh, okay. Remove the battery, and there we go. The battery has been removed. This is what we in the industry like to call spicy pillows. Swelled up batteries make a weird crunchy noise when you squeeze them, and they have a higher chance of exploding. So if you have a swelled up battery in your phone or any other devices, get that fixed. Otherwise you might go... So we're gonna open up our new battery. There it is. It's so cute and tiny. Let's take this out, and I'm kind of nervous. I really hope this works. It should, in theory. Before we test this out, are you liked? Are you subscribed? Like and subscribe and join my cult today. No, but seriously, hit that subscribe button. These videos take a lot of time. So we're gonna install this battery. We'll just slip it in there, and it's plugged in. So this is the moment of truth. Everybody needs to say a quick prayer right now. Now we're gonna attempt to turn it on. Let's see if this works. Oh, ho, ho, ho. We have an Apple logo. We're in business, guys. Hopefully this boots up all the way and we can unlock it and find some information on the owner and contact them. Oh! Maybe it hasn't been turned on in a long time. I don't know. Or maybe they threw it in the lake because they didn't want it anymore. Lord knows. Oh. Sorry about that. The Apple Watch has booted, guys. This is insane. We just restored this Apple Watch. This guy has a cool lock screen, and we have a passcode. That's unfortunate. So we're gonna try and plug it into my computer and find his name. And if we can get enough information from there, then we may still be able to contact him. So let's see how that works. So we managed to actually find out who the hell owns this watch. It belongs to a Kyle. We're gonna do some research, find out exactly who the hell this is, and try and get him back his watch. We're gonna put this back together because there's no use leaving it open. We're gonna add a little bit of adhesive under the battery so that it doesn't fly around. Screw this back in. Now we're just gonna clean off any glue residue and then apply new glue. So I scratched off a little bit of the paint on the screen, but there's always a fix for it. I just use Sharpie, and you could just fill in the scratches and it works perfectly. There we go. Now there's no sign that I scratched anything. We're gonna apply some new adhesive. If you do this right, the watch is still waterproof after. Now we're just gonna clamp down the screen to make sure that the adhesive cures properly. And we'll leave it like that for probably around 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to find Kyle. We're searching the internet to find anyone who matches his description and who's been at Harrison Lake. Kyle. Kyle, where are you? We may have found a match, and he's even wearing the watch. We shot him a message, but he doesn't seem to be answering. So,
I am once again asking for your financial support.
if you know Kyle who lost his watch at Harrison Lake Water Park, please get him to contact us. Now we're gonna be on a manhunt for Kyle. If you know a Kyle, share this video with them. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you lose your device in a lake, I may just find it and send it back to you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This video took an incredible amount of work. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.